Okay, we've been working on solving proportion problems in class, and I want to show you how to solve proportions problems, solve percent problems using proportions. Okay, the first problem, we have three problems here, three different problems. All can be solved the same way. All right, first problem is 128 is what percent of 640? Now we've been solving problems in class a certain way. Just remember they can be done different ways, but this is the way that I've been showing you in class. Anyway, so we have the number over the percent. That's what we're going to comparing. That's the ratio we're comparing. So the percents all go in the denominator. The numbers all go in the numerator. We're always going to put 100% in the second fraction denominator. Now when we read the problem, we want to look for certain words. For example, of 640 tells me that of the whole or of the total or of 100%. So 640 is matched with 100%. The other key word we want to look for is what? What percent? Okay, that tells us the unknown or what we're looking for. So we're searching for the percent. And then the last number is 128, so that must go in the empty slot as the numerator. Okay, what we can do now is use cross product strategy to solve the equation. So we multiply p times 640, set it equal to 128 times 100. 640 times p is 640p, and 128 times 100 is 12,800. Now this becomes a one-step multiplication equation. So to get the variable p by itself, which is our goal, we divide each side by 640. And what we're left with is p equals 20%. Okay? Okay, we have another problem here. What is 88% of 25? Okay? So, do it the same way. We compare the number over the percent. We make our little template. 100% goes here. Okay. Our keyword we look for of the total. So the 100% is matched with the 25. Okay. Now we see there's just what is 88% of 25. So we're looking for 88%. That's obviously another percent that goes in the denominator. So we can put that there. So what we're looking for is a number that is 88% of 25. Okay? So again, we can use cross product. N times 100 is equal to 88 times 25. So we get 100 N is equal to 2,200. So here we are with our one-step equation again, multiplication equation. Divide each side by 100 to get N by itself, and we have N equals 22. Okay? All right, our last problem. We have 12 is 80% of what number? All right, so we set up our ratio, numbers over percent. Okay, 100% goes here. Okay, of what number? That tells us of the total, and that's what we don't know, so that's our unknown. We have 12 is 80%, so it tells us that the number is 12 and it is 80%. Okay? So, again, we can use our cross product strategy. 80%, so it's 80 times n is equal to 12 times 100. So we get 80 n is equal to 1,200. Divide each side by 80. And we got n is equal to 15. Okay, so those are some problems you might see where you can, percent problems you might see where you can use proportions to solve them.